Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drone photography/videography is confined to those who acquire legal clearance from the competent agency in Ethiopia, according to Ethiopia's intelligence unit, National Information and Security Services. According to state news source Ethiopian News Agency, the agency imposed the ban to ensure the safety and security of citizens. The new restriction is also justified by the need to protect critical infrastructure and projects. It means that no individual, whether a citizen or not, can utilize drone photography without first obtaining legal permission. Recently, some people have been employing drone photography without a necessary legal license to film religious, cultural, and public events. They must be aware that the activity is prohibited and that they may face prosecution, and they must stop from doing so, the agency stated in a statement provided to ENA, as reported by ENA. According to the agency, departments that are obligated to issue permissions are required by law to notify NISS of the names of those who are authorized to use drone photography within 24 hours of the authorization being granted. According to an article published by Addis Fortune in 2018, the director of Bole Airport Customs Offices, which is under the Ministry of Revenue, anyone can import drones if they have a business license and justifications for why they are doing so. The Ethiopian agency's report does not specify which government agency is in charge of issuing the permits to users. According to Addis Fortune's report, license issuance is handled by the Information Network Security Agency. Another significant government authority that could be associated with drone license issues is the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.